This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Marzocco GS3 MP here. That's the one with the paddle. The issue with this machine was mainly that the water was continuously dripping down here from this drain pipe, which is connected here to the Grouphead. And so I did have to rebuild the Grouphead and replace two of the gaskets inside. So here I just have this diagram printed out just for educational purposes. So here you see here 10 and 9. These needed to be replaced because that's what prevents the water from going here into that drain pipe right here. While the coffee's brewing, and while the Grouphead is saturated. So it was dripping constantly, but when I was brewing, it was then just pouring water from this drain right here. So I replaced those two gaskets, rebuilt the Grouphead, and then this machine was just due for some preventative maintenance. So I did our standard 12-month PM. So that means I replaced the vacuum release valve here. This is the old style one, so I put the newer style vacuum release valve on this machine, which is much easier to replace and much simpler in design. Then we have the expansion valve here. As you can see, it's pretty old. It's got some mineral buildup around there. Then we have our safety valve here, which I also replaced. I did clean all of the probes. There are two temperature probes, one water level probe in the steam boiler. So I just removed those, cleaned them, and then I descaled both the brew boiler and steam boiler. So I just put citric acid and water solution through it, let it sit for about an hour and a half, and then rinsed it out. In addition to that, I replaced the Grouphead gasket here, screen. I backflushed the Grouphead to remove any extra coffee residue throughout. And then deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner. So just putting the milk cleaner in a pitcher and steaming it, letting it sit to remove all those the milk solids that might be in here. Let's see. And I think that's about it. Yeah, otherwise it just, the only other thing I did was adjust the expansion valve when I replaced it too. So it's set where it should be. I'm just going to do a quick demo to show you that everything is working. So I've got my shot of espresso. This is our test coffee. It's not perfectly calibrated to the machine, but we should still get a pretty good shot. So let's see. Hopefully you can see there. We've got about 9.5 bars of pressure. Let's see that. And let's just stop the shot there. Alright. So not the perfect shot, but we still have some crema on top. If it was dialed in for this machine, I'm sure it would be even better. Then we have our hot water, just to show you that it's working, and then of course the steam. Okay, and just so you can see, I'll just let this shot run for a second so you can see in the drain here. Yeah, so there's nothing dripping in here. Hopefully you can see. It will just release a tiny drop of water, a little bit, when we're done pulling the shot, which is exactly how it should work. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.